Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: MIT App Inventor, an Android device, and location enabled. Open a new project and immediately place the location, clock, web, and TinyDB components on the viewer. This is necessary to read coordinates, timestamp them, send them, and store locally. Once done, set the clock interval to 5000 ms for 5-second updates and turn location one provider to GPS. Make sure to request runtime permissions when prompted so the app can access position data. Now you construct the core logic and interface. Lay out labels showing latitude and longitude, add start and stop buttons, and include a map component to visualize movement. When the clock ticks, call location when to fetch latitude and longitude. You can also request address if needed. Then update the labels, push the point into TinyDB as an array, and prepare a JSON string with ID, time, lat, lon. Once prepared, web post text sends that payload to your server or endpoint for tracking. Finish by wiring start and stop buttons to enable or disable the clock and location checks. Handle web. Got text to mark points as sent and remove them from TinyDB. Test the full flow. Start tracking, move, watch map pins appear, and confirm your server receives the JSON payloads. If something fails, inspect permissions first, then GPS accuracy and device settings, and finally your endpoint. Verify URL, headers, and cores. A common fix is retrying unsent points from TinyDB.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.